Today we're making lemon cupcakes. Let's make lemon buttercream. Ingredients, very simple recipe. We need butter, and if you want to, you can use salted butter or unsalted butter. We need powdered sugar. I already sifted mine. And we need lemon. Lemon, we can use lemon zest, if you like, of course, lemon zest and lemon juice. It's just enough from one lemon. I already prepared some lemon juice and I squeezed the lemon. It's from about half of the lemon. And very important, you don't squeeze lemon juice right into butter because there could be some seeds. I like to squeeze in a separate bowl and then use sifter, remove all the seeds that came from the lemon. So that's my just personal opinion, and I highly recommend because you don't want to buy the dessert and have some seeds, lemon seeds in it. So squeeze the lemon, use a strainer, remove the seeds, and I like to keep it in a separate little cup or mixing bowl because we're going to be adding to buttercream, and sometimes we need just 1 tablespoon or maybe less or maybe more. So that's why it's easy to have in a separate mixing bowl, and then we're going to be adding and checking the consistency. For buttercream, I'm not using salt. In traditional and classic, I guess in all American buttercreams, we add a little bit salt for taste. Because we're making lemon buttercream, I want to have that as much lemon flavor as possible. So I'm not adding salt, but salt is optional, and especially if you're going to be using salted butters, there is no need to add salt. So it's up to you. I'm just keeping that ingredient. I will list as optional if you want it or not. Tools, we need spatula. You can use a knife to cut the lemon. And then we need that special tool that we can have some zest. Like I said, also zest is optional, and I'll tell you why. I will be just making just a simple buttercream decor. There is nothing really specific. I will be using Wilton 1M and a pastry bag, and we can use zest right here. If you're making lemon buttercream and you're going to be decorating with the flowers, I would skip the zest in that recipe. I would just use lemon juice because some piping tips are very small and lemon zest can be just stuck when you're going to be piping flowers. So it's really up to you, the lemon zest. And I have my cupcakes already baked and cooled off, and I will be just decorating, piping this lemon buttercream. There is nothing specific. However, I will be showing in a separate video how I decorate those cupcakes using different piping tips and making flowers. All right, let's make lemon buttercream. We need KitchenAid mixer, and I'm going to be using pedal attachment. If you like, you can also use hand mixer if you like. Butter is a room temperature. Make sure it's not very soft and at the same time it's not very cold, because it's easier to pipe then when it's butter is not that cold. So we're gonna add butter, and all ingredients will be listed. I'm using 2 sticks of butter. All right, I like to have everything ready, then start making my recipe. Butter in a mixing bowl, lower speed. Just for a few minutes, we need to make sure the butter is soft, and then we're gonna start adding powdered sugar. And you can use any of your favorite brands of butter. All right, right now I'm gonna add powdered sugar. And I like to stop my mixer and add powdered sugar. And not all at once, just in a few parts. It all depends on your mixer. You can end up with the allowed powdered sugar in your kitchen. I like to add in small parts. And I think this is very simple recipe to make buttercream. Basically, you just need to combine butter and powdered sugar. And then if you're adding any heavy cream, milk or lemon juice, salt, any flavors you like, just whip for a few more seconds and it's done. Simple and also very delicious. All right, just one more part of that powdered sugar. All right, right now, mixer on a low speed, we're gonna add lemon zest. I'm not gonna add too much. And we're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. I'm still using the same low speed. About 1 tablespoon. But then you have to see the consistency of that buttercream. If it's too runny, you added too much, maybe lemon juice, then add more powdered sugar. If you see the buttercream, it's still stiff and not really piping consistency, then add more lemon juice. However, make sure you're working in a cold room. If you're making buttercream in a very heat, in a very warm room, then butter will melt faster, and it will also affect the consistency when you're going to be piping those cupcakes. I'm going to use spatula and I'm just going to scrape. I wish you can smell this buttercream. And you can increase speed a little bit, but not too much, just 1 or 2, maybe on 2 of KitchenAid. All right, I just want to show you what I have in a mixing bowl. See this, what I have. And I can tell I don't need to add any more lemon juice. It's all flavor, you know, and for texture. But it's already very smooth and it's good for piping. So it's holding shape and I don't see the need to add more lemon juice. I like to use spatula and scrape everything in a mixing bowl. All right, the buttercream is ready. I have pastry bag with Wilton 1M. We're gonna transfer pastry bag. All right, cleaning up my space. All right, let's pipe this lemon buttercream on the cupcakes. I probably have to zoom in a little bit. Make sure it's... All right, I'm gonna start probably with I'm starting with this one. And you can pipe as much as you want of this buttercream. I think that would be enough. Some people like very much and some not that much. All right, Wilton 1M piping tip. I hope you guys can see closer. And don't forget don't hold this buttercream, the pastry bag, with your hands for too long because your hands are warm. And the butter, it's already started melting. It's very warm right here in my room, plus all the lights that I have. Look at this. All right, very simple technique to pipe. There you go. All right, look at these cupcakes. And I want to show you something else that I like to do. For example, before to serve cupcakes. Let's fit even all of this. All right, before serving even cupcakes, you can also decorate right now with the... If you, for example, maybe you were making and you forgot to put this lemon zest in a recipe, it's not too late to decorate with lemon zest. I wish you can smell this, guys. And it's not too much. All right, my lemon cupcakes are ready. Right now, I can place them in the fridge for a couple hours or even overnight, and then I can serve and people can enjoy it. I really hope you like this recipe of lemon cupcakes. Simple recipe, ingredients, very simple and easy to make. Let me know in comments, what do you think? I would also love to see your creations on social media. Please tag me if you use my recipes. Thank you for watching and happy baking, everyone!